Calling for not a cloud in the sky today. And look at this for my rolling shots. Hey, welcome to the channel. I just drove 4 hours to do some rollers of the coolest free car on the planet, the Gap-built Goodguys Giveaway Chevelle. You may remember this from our Columbus coverage. But we have a great sky, so I literally hopped out of the truck, look at the spot, and we're gonna go do rollers. And Tim killing it as usual on some forged lines. And this is the giveaway car, so I'm gonna get my camera set and we'll start doing some rollers.
All right, let's go. That literally took us 15 minutes. Probably wasn't 15 minutes, it's more like one pass and we were done. I was planning on 3 passes, but red cars are pretty easy to shoot too. So yeah, that went pretty quick. So 4 hours down here, 10-minute photo shoot. It took me longer to actually put the lens on the camera, I think. Of course, Tim's a professional driver. Yeah, but yeah, not bad for a free car. No, I want to see this tire. What's cooler, this motor and a dually, or this tire that goes on the Roadrunner? I know which one costs more, but that tire is pretty dope. I'll have to throw a picture up here. It wasn't long ago, I think I did a video here at Tim's, and there was this pristine blue and white dually that the owner wasn't going to touch at all. And I guess it's been touched a little bit now, hadn't it? Is this the only blue that's left of it from when we shot it? I'll throw a picture of what this looked like. Yeah, for right now.
But I like his style. He can't leave nothing alone. So what's the engine in this?
427, LME built 427 LS with a 4.5 Whipple.
Crazy. And what's this tire for the Roadrunner? What size is this?
33 22 by 20.
Holy crap.
For some greening 20 by 15s.
Stay tuned, because we will shoot that thing in bare metal once it gets to that point. It won't be that much longer.
That's close.
Yeah. All right, I always have to see what's in the metal shop. This F100 is pretty dope.
Yep.
What's the story on this?
Roadster shop chassis, Godzilla, just a cool cruiser for his wife.
Awesome. That's sick.
It was in really rough shape, so now we're trying to dial it all in.
Yeah, that metal work looks great. I like coming here to shoot bare metal stuff. I like going anywhere to shoot bare metal stuff, but you're closer to the house than everybody else is.
A little bit.
And then that's the Roadrunner we were talking about. We'll get back on that later. There'll be a full video on it. We'll do it in bare metal, photograph in bare metal and all that stuff. And the last time I was here, you were scanning the Camaro.
Yep.
Then you got another truck up there. And then that guy's got another dually, doesn't he?
That's his other dually. Those are both his dually.
So that's his dually there. Yes. I was looking at it like it wasn't a dually.
Yeah, we're having a roadster shop chassis built for this.
Oh, having a roadster shop chassis built for that. So
yeah,
that's some great projects in here right now.
Yeah.
A lot of things in the works.
Awesome, awesome.
Got a couple projects with Henry from Steadfast coming.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, pretty wild.
Yeah, look at this fit on this Roadrunner.
Yeah, looks like
Crazy.
Supposed to be made.
This doesn't suck either.
No. And then you got the little pressure.
Yeah, little bit of. Yeah, this one will be a great one in bare metal. I don't want to show you everybody too much of this one yet, but yeah, great. Yeah, there's that other tire.
Well, here,
Talk about a steamroller.
Here's the wheel with the 3118.
Oh yeah, there's the wheel with a 3118.
It wasn't enough tires.
You want to see a nuts of a wheel? I need to stop showing you guys this car, but it's super cool because, and we should be showing the giveaway car. But yeah, this is
George and Jesse killed it.
George and Jesse. Not only do they make 15-inch wheels for Corvair vans, they do a few of these big billet wheels every once in a while too. All right, so we looked at some cool stuff in the shop, but we are actually here to talk about a free car that Goodguys is giving away, and I'm gonna have Tim run you through it. I talked about it a little bit in our Columbus video, and you can go on Goodguys website, and anybody can enter, right, Tim? If they go on, if you go on Goodguys website, every event they pull a key, and someone gets a chance to come to Columbus to win this car next year in Columbus, Ohio, at the Goodguys show. But I know most people will be hard-pressed to believe we shot this in bare metal. You didn't just paint a stock Chevelle red.
The car was in really bad shape, and we wanted to kind of prove the quality of the vendor's parts, like Automotive Direct and some of the other guys that supplied product for us, and the capabilities of my guys as far as like building a car that, you know, we could take all the way down to basically only reusing the wiper cowl.
Awesome. And how long from beater parts Chevelle to what we're seeing now, how long did that take?
About a year and a half. I mean, but you know, we're waiting on parts, we're waiting on, you know, approval to do things. So I think we figured out we have about 14 months of work in the car.
Oh, awesome. Yeah, so someone's actually going to get something because we are on a SpeedTech chassis.
SpeedTech Extreme with independent rear.
Independent rear with 700 horsepower LS in it, right?
700-ish. Makes a little more than that, but that was on 91. It's an LME port injected LT 427. We're still dialing in and playing with some stuff, but we've got a couple different tunes in it. We can play with the 85. We can do 87 if you're somewhere that have good fuel. We just kind of made it where it's like,
so if you're from Ohio and win it, we'll have to tune it different so you can run
yeah,
bad
there's actually
gas.
a key on the dash you can turn and put whatever tuning you want.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And then it's pretty cool to have just, you know, like bare aluminum with the intake and all that stuff on this car. That's something I'm surprised Goodguys went for that. You know, I mean, it's pretty rad.
They kind of gave me a little bit of free reign on some stuff. I mean, we wanted to. They let us do our style. So I mean, it was SwiftTech made us the valve covers. LME had that intake, and I wanted to really show off their machine work. And I think it just looks cool. And you know, with the machined wheel, it all kind of goes together.
Yep, machine forged lines, Willwood brakes.
Yeah.
But you guys did everything. Got BBT mirrors.
BBT
it's a who's who of parts. Got carbon fiber inner fenders on it.
Ironworks inner fenders, Ironworks steering wheel, TMI interior. I mean, hush mat for sound deadening and thermal insulation. You've got Zyco
kicker stereo.
Kicker stereo. Yep. We've got the 4.6x9s in the back.
Yeah.
It's got a good stereo system in it. Cantilever rears. It's got pretty crazy stuff in the trunk. Well, you know, it's got a whole bag of griots that straps down in the back with an anchoring system back there. Just a cool, you know, fun little project.
Awesome. Yeah. Somebody next year is going to get a really great Chevelle, and in red. I mean, it's what's not to like about it.
You know, we did all the one-piece window trim and tucked the bumpers. And,
you
know, Ogden chromed the trim, the mirrors, and they chromed everything we could chrome on it.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't. When you talked to me about chrome mirrors, and I knew you were getting BBT mirrors, I was like, but it looks great on this car with the red.
Somebody's got to be the first.
Somebody's got to be the first.
I had to do it, and it.
Of course, somebody in the comments would be like, "No, I was the first." But
yeah, there's been some nickel and stuff. I mean, we just want to do a full chrome. I think it kind of fits the car.
Well, there's that red and chrome together.
Yeah,
it's just classic.
It's got all the chrome trim on it. So
yeah, the stance is perfect. The wheel tire combo is perfect. I mean, someone's going to win a great car, and Tim, you guys killed it.
Thank you, man.
So yeah,
appreciate it.
Again, that's it. I'm going to get back on the road, but go on Goodguys website, find out where you can win this car. I'll put the link in the description. And thanks, Tim, for your time.
Appreciate it.
We got some awesome rolling shots. We'll be coming to the cover of the Goodguys Gazette soon. So I wanted to start doing a section of my video talking about what builders drive, and this is Tim's. Check this sucker out. I rode in this just a little while ago. Got some killer titanium exhaust on it, but this thing is sick. Check out these HREs. Tim's not sure he likes them, but I freaking love these things. How awesome are these wheels? But yeah, when you're into hot rods, you're going to have a hot rod. And this thing is definitely a hot rod.